The first is, Qul huwallahu ahad. Say He's Allah one and only. Number two, Allahu samad. Allah, the absolute and eternal. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor is he begotten. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. There's nothing like him. This surah class is the touchstone of theology. Theo means God, logy means study, theology, study of God. And touchstone, you know, when you go to buy and sell gold jewelry, you go to a goldsmith and you want to verify how pure is the gold. So the goldsmith takes the gold and rubs it against the touchstone. And depending upon the color, he tells you whether this gold is 24 karat gold, whether 22 karat gold, whether 18 karat gold, or it may not be gold at all. Because all that glitters is not gold. So Surah Ikhlas is the touchstone of theology. The God you are worshipping, you put him to the test of Surah Ikhlas. If the God you are worshipping passes the test of Surah Ikhlas, he is a true God. If he fails the test, he is a false God.